Green Mountain TV, hunting, fishing, outdoors. So a couple weeks back when I was filming footage for our shooting a flying turkey video with my buddy Aaron, we had a pileated woodpecker come flying in and sit up in this tree for a little while. So I got some footage of it. Super cool. These birds are huge. They're like 16 to 19 inches long. They're about the size of a crow. And they're a woodpecker. And man, they're just so cool. I don't know. I just really like them. Probably my favorite bird. Yeah, I'd say maybe my favorite bird. They have this really cool noise they make. He didn't make it while I was filming him. I was really hoping he would, but there he goes. Really cool.